In today's fast-paced world of project management, there's a growing need for versatile and modern tools. Let's explore some alternative Agile tools designed to streamline workflows and boost team collaboration. These solutions offer a refreshing approach to managing projects, making them more efficient and adaptable. Here are some popular alternative tools that are making waves in the project management arena. First, we have Trello, known for its visual boards and cards, making it easy to organize tasks. Next up is Asana, a robust tool for task management and tracking, ideal for keeping projects on schedule. And finally, Monday.com, a comprehensive work operating system that helps teams manage everything in one place. Let's take a closer look at Trello. Trello is a Kanban-style visual collaboration tool. It uses visual boards and cards to help teams organize their work. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it incredibly user-friendly. With Trello, team collaboration becomes seamless, and workflow management is simple and intuitive. Now let's explore Asana. Asana is a work management and collaboration tool designed to help teams stay organized and focused. Key features include task and project tracking, timeline visualization, and robust team collaboration capabilities. It also supports custom workflows, ensuring that it can adapt to your team's unique needs. Let's dive into Monday.com. Monday.com is a work operating system that offers a wide range of functionalities to manage projects and workflows. It provides customizable workflows, visual dashboards, and automation features to streamline processes. With multiple view options, Monday.com can adapt to various project management styles. In addition to the popular choices, there are other notable tools worth considering. First is Jira, an advanced issue and project tracking tool. Then we have ClickUp, an all-in-one productivity platform. Next, there's Notion, a flexible workspace and documentation tool. And finally, Wrike, an enterprise work management solution. These alternative Agile tools come packed with features that support Agile methodologies. Expect features like sprint planning, burn-down charts, and velocity tracking. Many tools also offer application programming interface, or API integrations to connect with other services and streamline your workflow. Choosing the right tool depends on several factors. Consider your team size, where small teams might prefer Trello or Notion, while medium teams might benefit from Asana or ClickUp, and large teams may find Jira or Monday.com more suitable. Budget is also important, with options ranging from free tiers to per-user pricing models and enterprise solutions. Also consider the complexity. You may find Trello simple, Asana and Monday.com moderate, and Jira or Wrike advanced. Evaluate the features needed, whether you require basic tracking or advanced reporting, and consider integration and customization needs. Here are the key takeaways from our discussion. There are multiple alternatives to traditional Agile tools. Each tool offers unique features and workflows. Choose a tool based on your team size, budget, and specific needs. Most tools support core Agile methodologies. The best tool is the one your team will actually use, so pick wisely. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.